So guys, there are three videos I'll be showing you in today's session. Yes, I said three videos. Well, Nnamdi Kanu is a man of action and at the same time he's a man of peace. But whenever the time arises for him to help out his people, he doesn't look back or relents. Welcome to this YouTube channel. In case you are new to this YouTube channel, we bring you every trending updates you need to know. Hit the subscribe bell below so you won't be missing any one. So Nnamdi Kanu has been in detention of the federal government for the past 4 years, and 4 years is a whole lot of years because many things have happened in the past 4 years. In the past 4 years, the federal government, led by President Buhari, and also the current regime, led by President Tinubu, have tried all possible means to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is frustrated. But yet, if you can recall, the council of Nnamdi Kanu led Nnamdi Kanu himself to victory in the appeal courts when the appeal court declared and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu of all the charges leveled against him by the Attorney General of that time, who was Malami. Without wasting much of your time, there's what's happening in the Southeast now. When Nnamdi Kanu talk, many people take him for granted. Now, a video came up recently. The video shows the army destroying the crops of Biafrans in the east. This particular video have been flying around and many people have been reacting towards it as it has been causing tensions. There's a video I want to show you about Nnamdi Kanu, and this video is a record of what he said in the past before he was arrested. Watch this Nnamdi Kanu video, and after watching this Nnamdi Kanu video, there's another video I have for you.
Some days I get so upset that I want to say to Elohim, allow me to ask IPOB to go to sleep. Dissolve ESN. Say to IPOB, no more activities, no more agitation, go arrest for 2 years. So that Fulani can come and do suya with some of our people who are so foolish. If not for IPOB, there'll be no Nigeria. What you have today is Islamic Republic of Nigeria. Islamic. They will write it there. Nothing will happen. It's us that have been holding the fort, holding the line. And what did they do? They connive with the same people we are fighting to save, to prescribe IPOB. Illegally, of course. Do you know that today they went to court to discuss the prosecution of IPOB? Our case is at appeal court. For how many years now? 2017, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, nearly 4 years in a country that wants to be regarded or taken seriously as a nation. For 4 years, somebody did you wrong, you went to court, and you've now gone to appeal a legal decision that criminalized an entire nation. For 4 years, they've not heard the case. Do you know what happened today? I never knew the case was coming up today. So this morning, of course, as always, I was led in the spirit, and I decided to write about the prescription of IPOB using an old newspaper headline from Authority, that the fact that IPOB activities are not unlawful, yes. Do you know what happened in Abuja today? Today was the day they were meant to hear the case of the proscription of IPOB and tagging us a terrorist group in Abuja, Federal Appeal Court of Nigeria in Abuja today. And what happened? As soon as they read that very publication I made, but I think I did it both on Facebook and on Twitter, everybody ran away from the court today. Don't ask if you have any lawyer in Abuja. Ask them. They all ran away. The court did not sit again today because they were hiding it. Before, when they want to call my case, they say, oh, we have 100 witnesses willing to testify. Because they know that the tagging of IPOB as a terrorist organization is flawed, both before man and God, even in their zoo laws. They were hiding it. I don't know what told me. I don't know. Something just, I said, let me write. I wrote it, and they ran away from the court. No, the Appeal Court of Nigeria did not sit today in Abuja, because there was an IPOB file in the case, in the docs that were meant to be listened or heard today. This is how powerful we are. Because the judges, they assembled, 7 of them, they have gone through the files. Once they saw IPOB versus federal government of Nigeria, they dropped it. They said the court is now dismissed. Everybody should go home. Ask some senior advocates in Abuja today. Those that went to appeal court, did appeal court sit today or not? Normally when a court is not going to sit, somebody will come out and announce that the registrar or the clerk or whoever will announce that the reason why the court won't sit. They just told everyone to run away. That IPOB file is here in the court. Ask everybody that went to appeal court today in Abuja, Wednesday, the 3rd of March, what happened? Were you given any reason why you had to run away from the court? They will tell you no. For the first time in the history of the zoo. That's how powerful we are. That is the reason why they don't want to bring that very case to come up to appeal. Because they know you cannot prescribe people asking for a referendum. Is not possible. They know that during the arguments, people will ask, perhaps 1 or 2 media houses will carry it, and people will ask, why have you not prescribed Miyetti Allah and Fulani killers? They didn't even adjourn it. They said that everyone should go away, and they all ran away from the court. That's how powerful.
Nnamdi Kanu is not only a freedom fighter, but a messiah and a prophet. That is what he is. Nobody can take that from him. Even your pastor that claim to be seeing vision have not set up quarter of what Nnamdi Kanu see about Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu deserve an apology, because everything that the young man said about the Fulani herdsmen and the government in power today have come to manifestation. So you people need to give him respect. I want everybody from today's henceforth to begin to call Nnamdi Kanu Messiah, because it's the Messiah of Africa, not only Nigeria, not only Biafra. You have seen what many of your pastors cannot see. Nnamdi Kanu cannot be compared with anybody. He's even more far better than Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Nnamdi Kanu is more respected than Jesus Christ of Nazareth, because what Jesus Christ did, it was in the Bible. But we the people, we are seeing the goodness and the good work of Nnamdi Kanu physical. It was not a written word, but a physical word. What Nnamdi Kanu is doing today is not a written word like the word of Jesus Christ. This is the reality word. So Nnamdi Kanu deserve respect. Nnamdi Kanu deserve all our praises, because what he said about 10 years ago is what that is manifesting in Nigeria today. So he's a prophet and a messiah. Nobody can take that from him, no matter how you people keep on hating him. I want to tell you people that in 1,000 years to come, people cannot produce somebody like Nnamdi Kanu in your generation. So in Nigeria, I want people to leave those hypocrites on one side and acknowledge the good work of Nnamdi Kanu.
Well, in case you don't know, in the last sitting of Nnamdi Kanu in the Federal High Court, Justice Omotosho adjourned the case to the 18th of July next month. 18th of July next month will be the victory day of Nnamdi Kanu. Let's wait and anticipate. At this point, I'll allow you guys to tell me what you feel about the videos you have just watched. Do well to like this video, share this video, and hit the subscribe button below so you won't be missing any trending updates.